A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Flood rains in May continue to exert pressure on food prices and, by extension, inflation up to the end of July. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin reports that consumers' prices rose by 0.6% in July, the second highest rate of price increases this year, pushing inflation for the last 12 months to 4.5%. Most of the inflation was due to higher food prices, but Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter says the tax package at the start of the fiscal year in April is also still being felt.
Is consistent with our forecast and was largely driven by the impact of the May 2017 rains, the adverse impact of the May 2017 rains on the prices of vegetables, fruits, and other starchy foods.
The Bank of Jamaica says while upward pressure on food prices should be countered by lower costs for electricity, Jamaicans will continue feeling the effects of the May rains on food prices a while longer.
The effects on food prices of the May rains are expected to continue to be felt for a few more months before normalizing before the end of the fiscal year.
Petrol prices are easing this week as Petrojam cuts prices for the first time since June. Dashin Hendricks tells us more.
Well, we have some good news for consumers. After 7 straight weeks of increasing the price of fuel, Petrojam says it will be cutting the price of gasoline this week. It says the price of E10 87 and the price of E10 90 gasoline both will be going down by $1.29. It eases the price of both grades of gasoline off their almost 3-year highs, but the prices are still high. You'll have to go back to July of 2015 to get prices at the level they are right now. The price of regular diesel declines as well. It goes down this week by 58 cents, while the low sulfur variety declines by 58 cents. Kerosene is down as well. It goes down this week by 93 cents, but propane and butane both going up. Propane by 52 cents and butane by 28 cents. It's now back to you.
Thanks very much, Dashan. In the meantime, the price of oil fell 77 cents or 1.6% today. Oil for delivery in September is now selling for $46.78 a barrel. Consolidated Bakeries, the owners of the Purity and Miss Birdie brand baked products, reports a loss for the second quarter of its financial year. The company's losses between April and June amounted to $14 million. During the same period a year ago, Consolidated Bakeries reported a profit of $4 million. Consumers purchasing the US dollar tomorrow will pay an average $128.48. The Canadian dollar is going for $101.54. The pound costs $165.39, while the euro is selling for $151.96. The JC index dipped by more than 1,286 points today, while the junior market index lost 44 points. The winners of the day included Access Financial, CAC 2000, Express Catering, KLE Group, Kingston Wharves, and Lasco Distributors. The losers included 1834 Investments, Dermond Trading, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, the NCB Financial Group, Rated Jamaica, the Scotia Group, and T-Tech. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.